Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine Isuzie. To my new viewers, thank you so much for joining us, and to my old subscribers, welcome back. This channel is all about natural skincare tutorials and general lifestyle. For those that are not subscribed to this channel, you will do yourself a whole lot of good by subscribing to this channel and also clicking on the notification bell so YouTube gets to get you notified each time I have new content. Today we'll be looking at how to create a skincare regimen. But first, we are going to get to know what a skincare regimen is. A skincare regimen is the sum total of everything you do on a consistent basis to achieve a targeted objective. For example, you might have acne and want to treat that acne in order for you to have a flawless skin. So now a regimen for that acne will be the sum total of everything you do in order to treat that acne. Everything you do could be in the form of the rest you take, because stress has its role in people breaking out in acne. Yes. So how much you're going to sleep in order to have an acne-free skin or to clear already existing acne is part of the regimen. The foods you'll be eating is also part of the regimen. Your daily routine, such as exercises, or if you live an inactive kind of lifestyle, everything also affects. So don't just go thinking that a regimen has to do with the skincare products that you need to apply alone. No, it is the sum total of everything you do in order to clear that acne. Obviously, it also includes the skincare products, your toner, your facial moisturizer, and the cleanser or soap you make use of, the foods you eat, your habit of always touching your face. For those that pop their cysts, like one pimple comes on your face and before you know it, they're already pinching it off. That is also sum total of what you do in order to clear that acne. How clean your pillowcase is, how often you get to wash it, because pillowcases, anywhere our facial skin rests upon, also has a role to play on how healthy our skin is. If your skin is very oily, which also means that your pores are enlarged as a result of being clogged, with sebum or oil from the sebaceous glands, it therefore means that you're supposed to, keep everything that comes in contact with your face, not just those with oily skin, but everyone as a whole. So your pillowcase should be clean. Your towel should be clean at all times, and it should be separate from what you use on your body. Not that you use a towel to clean dirty legs and you still go ahead to use it to dry or pat dry your facial skin and you expect nothing to happen, except your skin is not sensitive. But if your skin is sensitive, it will surely react. So it is a sum total of everything you do. In creating a regimen, I like it to be very, very simple. Yes, we have the 7 step, we have the 9 step, but I like it being very, very simple. You could start with something very minimal as a 3-step. Yes, not minding what you are trying to treat. You could start with a 3-step regimen, then from there you can now build up if you need to. And sometimes, or most times, people don't even need to go beyond that 3. But for our case study that we're already using, which is acne, I always subscribe to the use of sunscreen. Yes, because exposing your skin to the harmful rays of the sun carries a whole lot of blemishes. It is the result of so many blemishes. Yes, because the sun contains ultraviolet, aging, and burning rays, and it even leads to people having skin cancer. That is when they have overexposed their skin to the damaging effects of the sun. So the first step is the use of sunscreen. Then also, the kind of cleanser, which is your soap that you also make use of, is very, very vital. The soap should be targeted at, killing the acne causing bacteria and also inhibiting further reinfection. There's a bacteria that causes acne. So when that bacteria is destroyed, or when it is, inactivated, it becomes weak to further reinfect other parts of your facial skin. Then finally, you should also you should heed to hydration. Hydration is very, very good because it helps to build up your skin. If the acne was as a result of dehydration, when your skin is built, because aloe vera gel that I always subscribe for the use of hydration of the skin is also anti-inflammatory, that helps with breakouts. It is also antibacterial as well, so it will even help to inhibit the growth and spread of the acne causing bacteria. So you make it very, very simple, and when it comes to hydration has also covered moisturizing, because if you use aloe vera gel as your only moisturizer, you're good to go, as long as you have protected your skin from the sun's rays using a sunscreen, and you have used the right cleanser. And it's always good for it to contain like at least either 2% of salicylic acid. That way it helps to stop the spread of the acne and eventually treat it completely. So always try to make your regimen, when creating one, very simple. Then the other things you now add to it, like having enough adequate rest, not stressing out yourself, taking out time to rest, to meditate, having me times so that you can always recuperate from stressful conditions or situations. Then also the kind of foods you eat, because we are what we eat. So you cleanse your skin from the inside out. When you do more of water-filled fruits. It helps, to help you maintain a clear skin. I'm sure you got value from this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to those that need it, click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell as well, so you always get to know once I have new content. For those of you struggling with acne, you've lost your self-esteem and you can hardly go out without the use of makeup to cover up the acne dark spots, there's help for you, because I put together a book, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne. This book helps to demystify acne for you to have a better understanding of it, the causes, how it is developed, what predisposes your skin to breaking out in acne, how you can develop your mindset to accept and see yourself having a flawless skin for you to eventually get there in the physical. So to place your own order for the Acne Handbook, there's a link on the screen and also in the description of this video. Click on it to get your own Acne Handbook. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Cheers.